Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some small kitchen organization ideas with farmhouse style. Let's see the video. For a farmhouse style small kitchen, here are some organization ideas that blend functionality with rustic charm. Open shelving. Replace upper cabinets with open wooden shelves. Use theme to display your collection of messengers, vintage dishware, or neatly organized speeches. This adds both storage and a farmhouse aesthetic. Pegboard wall. Install a pegboard on a wall to hang pots, pans, and kitchen utensils. This not only frees up cabinet space but also adds a rustic touch reminiscent of old-fashioned farm kitchens. Wire baskets. Use wire baskets mounted on the walls or inside cabinets to store produce, kitchen utensils, or other essentials. They offer easy access and enhance the farmhouse feel. Rolling cart. Add a small rolling cart with a bathtub block top for extra big space. Choose one with shelves or drawers underneath to store kitchen gadgets, linens, or pantry items. Wooden crates. Repurpose wooden crates as a storage on shelves or as a rustic alternative to drawers. They are perfect for holding baking supplies, cookbooks, or even fruits and vegetables. Apron sink with under sink storage. An apron front sink is iconic in farmhouse kitchens. Utilize the space underneath by installing sliding baskets or pull-out drawers to organize cleaning supplies and other necessities. Vintage containers. Use vintage style containers like enamelware canisters or galvanized tins to store dry goods, utensils, or even coffee supplies. They can be placed on countertops or open shelving for a cohesive farmhouse look. Hooks for hanging. Install hooks on the walls, to the side of cabinets, to hang mugs, dish towels, or even small pots. This keeps items within reach while adding to the farmhouse charm. Farmhouse table for extra storage. If space allows, use a small farmhouse style table with drawers or a shelf standards. This can double as a prep area and a place to store decent tiles. Messenger organization. Use messengers to organize pantry staples, utensils, or even flowers for decoration. They are versatile which fit perfectly into a farmer's kitchen theme. Plate rack. Install a wall-mounted plate rack to store and display a dinner wrap. Choose one with a rustic wood finish to add farmer's charm. Under cabinet lighting. Add one under cabinet lighting to illuminate your workspace and highlight your farmhouse decor like wooden cutting boards on messengers. Vintage bread box. Use a vintage style bread box to store bread and packet foods. It gives theme fresh while adding to the farmhouse aesthetic. Sliding cabinet bins. Use sliding bins inside cabinets to store items like cutting boards, baking sets, and pans. Opt for wire or wooden designs to fit the farmhouse theme. Leather shelf. Install a small leather shelf against a wall for additional storage. Use it to display decorative items, cookbooks, or even small baskets. Butcher block countertops. Incorporate a butcher block countertops for a rustic, functional prep area. It's both durable and adds warmth to your kitchen. Rustic canister set. Store dry goods like flour, sugar, and coffee in a matching set of rustic canisters. Look for ones with wooden or metal accents. Cutlery organizer. Use a wooden or metal cutlery organizer in your drawers to keep utensils in place. Choose a farmhouse style design to enhance the look. Mounted knife rack. Install a magnetic knife rack made from reclaimed wood. It saves counter space and adds a rustic touch. Glass cabinet doors. Replace solid cabinet doors with glass front doors to create an open feel. Display your neatly organized dishes or vintage glassware. Rolling pantry. Add a narrow rolling pantry cart that can be tucked away in a small space. Use it to store speeches, canned goods, or baking supplies. Vintage scales. Use vintage kitchen scales as a decorative piece on your countertop or shelves. Wood adds character and fits the farmhouse style. Galvanized metal cutties. Use galvanized metal cutties to organize utensils, napkins, or condiments. They are portable and add a rustic element. Hanging produce baskets. Hang wire produce baskets from the ceiling or a wall to store fruits and vegetables. It frees up counter space and adds to the farmer's look. Chalkboard labels. Label pantry items or storage bins with chalkboard labels. They are easy to update and add a farmhouse feel. Herb garden. Create a small indoor herb garden on your windowsill using mason jars or rustic pots. Fresh herbs add greenery and a farmer's vibe. Vintage milk bottles. Repurpose vintage milk bottles as a storage for small items like kitchen twine, straw, or even flowers. Bedboard backsplash. Add a bedboard backsplash for a farmer's touch. It's an inexpensive way to enhance the look of your kitchen. Drawer pullouts. Install pull-out shelves or baskets in your lower cabinets for easier access to pots, pans, and other heavy items. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching these videos.